The next field is the field for selection of the status of the applicant. Over here, the status of the applicant is to be selected. In our case, the applicant is an individual, hence we will select individual as the status of the applicant. The next field is the field for providing the registration number of the applicant. However, this field is to be left blank in case of an individual applicant. In our case, the applicant is an individual, hence we will leave this field blank. The next field is the field for providing the AADHAAR number of the applicant. Over here, the AADHAAR number of the applicant, if the same has been allotted, is to be provided. It should be noted that if AADHAAR number is provided over here, then a copy of the proof of allotment of AADHAAR number is to be enclosed along with the application form. If no AADHAAR number is allotted, then this field is to be left blank. In our case, we assume that the applicant has not been allotted the AADHAAR number, hence we will leave this field blank. The next field is the field for providing the details of representative assessee. If the assessee is represented by a representative assessee, then the details of representative assessee should be provided in this field. Representative assessee is generally applicable in case of applicants like minor, lunatics, deceased, etc. If the applicant is not represented by any representative assessee, then this field should be left blank. If the applicant is represented by a representative assessee, then the details of representative assessee should only be provided in this field. In all the other fields, the details of the applicant should be provided. In our case, we consider that the applicant is not represented by any other person, hence we will leave this field blank. The next field is the field for providing the details of documents enclosed along with the PAN application form. Over here, the detail of document enclosed as proof of identity and enclosed as proof of address is to be written. Documents which could be used as proof of identity and proof of address can be checked out from the instructions to form number 49A. If the applicant is represented by any other person, that is, if the assessee is represented by a representative assessee, then the proof of identity and proof of address of the applicant as well as the proof of identity and proof of address of the representative assessee should also be enclosed with the application form. In our case, we assume that the proof of identity is driving license and the proof of address is rent receipt. Therefore, we will write down driving license as proof of identity and rent receipt as proof of address. The next field is the field for giving the declaration by the applicant. Over here, the applicant has to declare the truth of the information provided in the application form. The applicant has to provide the name, place, date and the signature. So, this was the process of filling form number 49A in case of an individual applicant.